How's it going, everyone? Happy Sunday and blessings to all of you who are watching this video. Before I get started, I'm going to talk about Neo stock, and there's some articles and news updates, sort of, that I missed on my previous video that I want to get through today that I will talk about, and just to keep you guys bullish on Neo. So, and again, another reminder is that we're about to hit 4,000 subscribers, guys, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you for subbing, liking, commenting on my videos. You guys, that means so much to me. Like, you guys are amazing. Also, if you guys are new to investing for some reason, like you haven't opened an exchange account with like Robinhood or Webull, a stock exchange account like that, then definitely get started with Robinhood. It is the simplest and most, like, the easiest to use, basically. And there's a link in the description. You guys can sign up to Robinhood and Webull, both. Basically, you guys will get free stocks. So once you get those free stocks, is basically free money, and you start out investing with something. I mean, 3 stocks is better than nothing. And yeah, definitely do that if you're new to investing. And that will really support me if you guys do use my links. You guys will, I love you guys for that. You guys have been using my links, some of you, so I appreciate it. Now let's get to this tweet. And the future of EV says, everyone, let's appreciate that this didn't happen to our EV stock. And yeah, man, let's be happy for that. That's something to be glad about, that this didn't happen to Neo or Tesla. I mean, could you imagine if this happened to Neo and it went back down to $3? But it's just sad to see this, that Nikola unfortunately fell 75%, which is it's a lot. And I remember Nikola was trading above Neo for the longest without really selling any cars, compared to Neo. But now it's below Neo. But I hope they can recover, man. I hope Nikola somehow recovers from this, because I know there's a lot of people that invested heavily into this. And I hope people can recover and at least break even on their investments, man, because this is just, it's sad to see stuff like that happen in the EV space. It's really unfortunate. But on brighter news, sort of, why you shouldn't trade Neo on Tesla news. This is pretty much like common sense. My bad. This common sense, because just because Tesla releases good news about something that happened, it doesn't necessarily mean that Neo should go up or that people are gonna flock to Neo. Like they're not pairs, man. Like, in the not really couples in the charts. They don't go up together, really, not too correlated. But one thing you guys need to focus on is that Neo is kind of like, even though they're competing in the same EV market over there in China, Neo and Tesla are very different, man. Like, Neo has the power swap technology. They have, or battery swap, whatever you want to call it. They have a lot of stuff going. They have this ecosystem that they're trying to develop and improve on. Now, Tesla, they have their differences too. They have a lot more cars to offer, and the cars look a lot nicer. And there's just so many. I mean, if you're trying to get into the EV space, if you're trying to buy a EV car, you can't go wrong with Neo or Tesla. That's what I'm trying to say. Both have pros and cons. Like, they're not perfect. Neo and Tesla, none of them are perfect. But each company has something that people will love, at least. Now, like, one thing I want to mention is that this is really important. At this time, Neo is not a global car company. The company has intentions to start selling vehicles in Europe. What do you guys think? Perhaps as early as the second half of 2021, so quarter 2, 3 of 2021. And the real price for Neo would be the opportunity to sell its cars in the United States. But at this time, the company has no timetable under which that would happen. So yeah, guys, they still need to expand, obviously, by upgrading their facilities and increasing production. That would be a good way to start, right? Even if they're still selling cars over there in China, it is an important market over there for the EV space. China is very important for Neo and Tesla. Now, this right here, this is a tweet I found by the Iron Giant, and he said, I know, right? The guy is a total buffoon. He's referring to someone that was basically talking bad about Neo and stuff. He thinks he's more of a financial wizard than these big boys who invest in Neo Global. He's mentioning all these guys, all these hedge funds and like institutions basically that are investing into Neo a lot. Like they're putting a lot of money in there. Like Tencent guys, Tencent. I don't know if it shows right here. Hold up. Let me find it. Yeah, right here. So Tencent Holdings, right? You have Original Wish Limited, and then you have Bailey Gifford and Company, BlackRock Inc., White Box Advisors, Vanguard. Yeah, just to name a few, right? Um, and this guy saying it's only a matter of time before Neo is $100 plus. What do you guys think, man? You guys agree with that or what? You guys think it's gonna get to $100 or if it's gonna go up to 30 and then go back to 20 in a retracement kind of thing deal, or and it's gonna stay at 20, or what do you guys think? Because I don't think the stock is gonna stay around these prices for much longer, really. We are approaching the end of the year, guys, and even end of the month, September, right? We're getting to up to October, and we're going to find out what kind of deliveries in terms of numbers that Neo had for this month, September. So we will find that out very soon, in a couple of days, actually. And, this Trading View post also caught my attention, but, two bullish flags being formed right here. As you can see, the last one was when Neo went up to like $15, and that was the previous resistance back then. Now the resistance for Neo is at 21.50 around there, with the support, heavy support at like right here at $16-17 around there. So I mean, the stock is trading upwards basically, like the way it's moving and everything. Now the price action for Neo is still heavily influenced right now by news and stuff like that, like updates. And whenever they have an update on deliveries and just recent developments with their ecosystem and stuff, that usually pushes the stock up. Not all the time. I mean, sometimes for some reason, like they'll have good news. Neo, not all the time. Like this is like rare as well. But if like there's good news, it doesn't necessarily mean Neo will trade higher or will go up in price. Sometimes there's good news, and for some reason, this is weird, I know, but Neo will fall a little bit or will dip like a couple cents. But that's to be expected, guys. Overall, just in general, the stock though is trending upwards, and it's moving up. Okay, it's moving up for sure. So don't expect the stock to stay here at these prices for much longer. This is just the prices we're seeing now before quarter four, but once quarter four is is around the corner and stuff, once we get there, we're gonna be seeing this price at around like $30-40 for sure, because the type of deliveries, right? I expect quarter four and quarter one of 2021, quarter four of 2020 and quarter one of 2021 to be like Neo's largest, like by sales and everything, largest quarters. So now the price, there is a lot of consolidation, guys. Like it's been going on for days. Like this is just we want the stock to hurry, right? But the way it's moving though, it's still getting higher highs, right? So than before. But this is the SEC PDF right here about Neo that they have on their investor relations like website. But you can see like what they have pretty much implemented right now on their business model is their cars, right? They have this race car right here. They have this one right here, which is Target. This is the high end, supercar, and then you have these cars right here. You have the I'm guessing this is the EC6 or ES6, and then you have this car right here, which more seats. But one thing is like they're focused also on trademarking their interiors because it's unique, even though it's kind of similar to a lot of other EVs because they have a screen and stuff in there. But they have Nomi and they have the Neo Pilot. So yeah, it's this whole ecosystem, man. And that's not even it. That's just the cars. So you gotta talk about the Neo House, Neo Life, Neo App, Neo Power. Like they're just building on a lot of these things, man. A lot of these these are services, really. Battery as a service. Neo House is some sort of service for its users so that they can go inside there, chill, talk to other Neo owners, and just relax, have fun, be on your computer, work on projects or whatever. I mean, they're really selling you this lifestyle. That's what Neo is selling you, is this lifestyle. Like if in China, I'm guessing because they're focusing on on promoting this to the younger generations and stuff. They want to get them on board because they want to sell you this lifestyle. Like when you own this car, you get to be a part of the Neo community. You get to chill in the exclusive Neo house. You know, you're a part of this Neo life, you know, sort of lifestyle. And then you see everything. You're updated instantly with the Neo app. And if you get stranded out there, you know, the Neo Power, you can just get a specialist to come over and to charge your battery with one of these little vans, right? It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's what they're building on, guys. So I think the stock really is undervalued. Let's just hope that we can get to $100 soon. I mean, maybe sooner than later. You know, around like maybe like middle to end of year 2021. Hopefully, $100 we can see that then. We have to have patience, guys, but we are still bullish though. The overall sentiment for this stock is bullish. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.